So what's the best Visa card with crypto in India? So this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes, so let's go. So are you looking for the best way to use your cryptocurrency in India? A crypto Visa card would be the perfect solution. Today I'm going to show you how to use your crypto just like cash with a Visa card. All right? So step one, okay? You're going to start by finding a reliable crypto Visa card that is accepted in India. Some cards, like the crypto.com Visa card, the best, let you spend your crypto anywhere that accepts Visa. This is an easy way to use your digital currency for everyday shopping. Now, step two, check the rewards and benefits that the card offers. Many crypto Visa cards give cashback, rewards points, or even travel perks, okay? Make sure to pick a card that gives you the best rewards for your handling habits, okay? Crypto.com. Step three, after you get your card, you're gonna use it for purchases in your stores or online. When you use your card, you can even earn crypto rewards, okay? So just remember to keep track of your spending and always pay your balance on time. So by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link below because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways. And then you could do the same with other people too.